Biblical Israel Ministries and Tours is all about teaching the Bible in the context of the land of Israel. And one of these ways that we bring the Bible to life is to take you all the way to the land of Israel, a land about 300 miles in length and maybe 75 or 80 miles at the widest point in width. So the seminar is all about learning the Bible in the context of the physical settings of the Bible. We pay attention to the topography and the uniqueness of each region. We also use historical geography as we place the many biblical stories to the location where they took place. Biblical archaeology plays a very prominent role in helping us understand how people lived in the days of the Bible. We'll visit many biblical sites. Learning the Hebraic background of Jesus is an important way to discover in new ways how Jesus taught, what he taught, where he taught, and why Jesus taught. We even spend 2 full sessions on Old and New Testament Jerusalem. We'll retrace the footsteps of those like David, Hezekiah, and Jesus. Understanding the customs and culture of the Bible also has a wonderful way of bringing to life the biblical stories of the past. Upon request, we can also make biblical connections with countries like Jordan, ancient Egypt, and Greece as we follow the footsteps of the Apostle Paul. Our Bringing the Bible to Life seminar is really our way to bring Israel directly to you and your church family. We realize that not everyone can travel to Israel and see the land of the Bible personally. So we think that this is a great alternative to learn about the Bible in the context of all of these disciplines, especially archaeology, history, and the geography of the land of Israel. So if you want to host one of our seminars, you can simply go to our website and click on the link that takes you to our seminar page. There is a reservation form that you'll need to complete and, of course, send in to our ministry. We hope that we can be a blessing to you as we look forward to teaching the Bible in the context of the land of Israel for you and your church. Shalom and thanks very much.